In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a cover photo, thumbnail, for a Figma project. A clean, consistent cover image makes your files easier to spot and instantly communicates what's inside. Here's how to set it up quickly and correctly so your projects look polished in your file browser. First, head to the Figma website and sign in. From your workspace, open the file where you want to set the cover. Inside that file, make sure you're on the page where you want the thumbnail to live. Figma supports multiple pages per file, so it helps to keep your cover on the main page or a dedicated cover page to stay organized. Next, make sure your thumbnail design is ready on a single frame. This frame is what Figma uses as the preview image. If you're still designing it, a simple guideline is to use a landscape layout. Many people use 1600 by 960 pixels because it scales nicely in the file browser, but any size can work. Keep text large and high contrast, avoid clutter, and include an identifying element like a project name or a brand color so it's easy to recognize at a glance. Place all your artwork inside this one frame, images, text, and shapes, so nothing gets cut off. With your design on a frame, look to the left side in the Layers panel. Click the frame's name and rename it to Cover. This label helps you stay organized and makes it obvious which frame is intended for the thumbnail. If you have multiple frames, double-check you're renaming the correct one, the frame that actually contains your cover artwork. Now select that frame on the canvas, right-click, and choose Set as Thumbnail. That's the key action. Figma will use this frame as the file's cover image. After you set it, give it a moment and then return to your Home or Recent Files view to see the update. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page or navigate away and back. Sometimes the preview takes a few seconds to regenerate. A couple of quick tips if it doesn't appear as expected. Make sure you selected the frame itself and not a group or a nested element. Ensure everything you want visible sits inside the frame boundaries, and keep the frame clearly named a cover so it's easy to find later if you want to update it. And that's it. You've set a clean, professional thumbnail for your Figma project, making your files easier to scan and share. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.